Clunk. Whatever. Floating tin hard. Fifteen. Clunk. I'll hit the head over there. Hard on the indicator.
Slamming that needle.
Yeah. So now we're on 5, 8, 7, 5, 5, heading up quick. It's very out of round.
It's an oval.
It might not be square to this table either. That's the next problem. So do that for now. All that so I can see what squareness is. Zero over there. Goes all scale right there. So it's average 0. That's 3 to 5 over their side. So we're about 1.5 to 2 thou out from that 0 with the level. Not that much.
There's tolerances to everything.
So now we're 0, 3, 3.5, half over, 3.5 down. Right, that's close, right? Over here we are at 0 to 3 up.
So our tolerance is
So
plus
still
or
up.
minus 3.
So we go up some more. Okay, so now the 0 is kind of in the middle, but we're more on the higher side than the low side. This one's 0 to 3, so it's still higher on that side. Over here we're at 3, and over here we're at 3.5, 3. So now we're 0s in our low, 3.5 on top, maybe 4. Probably affected the other side. Okay, about 3 to 0 on both sides. About 3, 3.5 over there, and over here 3.5 to about there. There's a big nick right there where I hit that, so it didn't count. Okay, so we're pretty square now. Assume it doesn't move. it's within a half a thou at least. Okay, now you go back and square up the top again. Okay, about 10.
It's an oval.
I think we can call more size than that. You want to discriminate, just call it just a single thing, did you? We'll throw some octagon and hexagons in there too. How's that?
Oh shit.
Well, that was a heavy impact. Damn. Okay, 0 to 3. 1 to 2 under. 0 on that side. Moved a little bit. Why don't you go there and find your cylinders that we bought for you?
Oh, they should be in the aisles, right?
Yeah, somewhere down about half, 3/4 of the way down there. Let's see if your cylinder fit on top of this motor. Alright, I think we're about averaged out. Go down lower. Yeah.
You want both or just one?
Bring them both. Okay, about 1.5 on that side, about 2 over there. Under 0 on that side. 0. Yeah, it's all over the place.
That's what I like to hear.
I think average we're about where we're at. So we moved one side 6.1, the other 9/10. I'm sure that's perfect what you wanted, right?
Mm-hmm. Is
Gotta keep that tripod spread apart so it doesn't fall over.
the rear.
These look new. Are
Hope
these
they
new?
are.
Are
I
these
hope
new?
so.
Oh, these aren't for an Evo. Who's order?
3 5/8. Fucking. What is it? 4.5 strokes. So they're what?
It's 3.6, 20, and 7/10. Says so right there, see.
Oh.
What do you think the bore is then?
The bore?
Yeah.
Be only a couple thousand difference from this, right?
Damn, they sure did a crappy ass hone job.
I don't know. It's more.
Who honed this damn job? A bunch of morons. That's stupid. So, you got a crosshatch in here. You see how it's almost 90 degrees?
Yeah.
That's way too steep. That will be an oil sucking turd there. You're supposed to have like 60 degrees. This way, this way. 90. Damn. I didn't give a shit what he did at work that day. Yeah, maybe we'll have to rehome these a little bit. It was not exactly the finish I want to see. Which one are we working on here? We're working on the rear cylinder. No, this is the front cylinder.
That's the rear. This is the front.
Oh, it's on the other side. Upside down. Good. Nice and snug.
So all those shapes helped out, I guess.
Yeah, maybe we'll clean the bore up just a little bit so it's a little bit easier to go into that. Well, I know how square it is now. I didn't want to press my luck on that one. It is what it is. So, what do you think it actually measures at? It's probably a bunch of high spots in there.
Shit, I wouldn't know. Cause yeah, if it's not a perfect circle, then it's gonna be all over the place.
876 over there. 880 over here.
3 or 4 thou difference right there.
It's 4 thou, yeah. Maybe that's why it was tight. And this is probably 880. 5.405, that must be the length. 404, 403 and a half.
Yeah. Plus or minus a couple thou, depending on who measured it.
403. I don't know. I'm using a pair of $500 calipers. What do you think they used?
Hopefully it be something close to. He just eyeballed it.
Yeah, 403. Without the half. They said 404. It's thou.
Yeah.
It's within aircraft spec for 40 years ago. $868. 877. 76 this way. 869 this way. 873 this way. What size we have over there? 880?
Sounds like it's a corresponding
876. That was the tight side. See, this is the part that's the problem. This is 876 and a half, and that was 876. That's half its out. Press fit. So bring the camera over, you can see better. See? This is our high spot.
Let me take it off because I get a little glare.
71 over here. $69 now. 73. If you go this way, it's 69. Go over here, it's 71. Over here, 76. This is the big way over here. 77 right there. Yep, 76 and a half. Yeah, that's good. That's almost like round. Wonder what they cut that with. It's hard to believe it's that far over. Let's use a mic. They're more accurate than calipers.
Mm-hmm.
What could be worse? $76 and a half right there. $70 right there. So obviously it's not the calipers the problem. Probably these fucking cylinders aren't very round. Now I'm sure there's a reason why they're not round. They probably had a special machine that cuts oval shapes. Pay extra.
It's a custom order. I want that shape, the oval one.
6 thousands out of round. I wonder if the center board is even better. Think the center board is even better?
Oh man.
Oh jeez. Let's get the right size. Alright. So we're half a thou under 5/8. A little tight right there, but it's got a quarter. We're about 2/10 out around. That's probably not too bad. It is a performance application, so 2/10, can't be too close. Okay, so they said this is what, 62, 620 and 7/10, right? How close is that gonna be?
I'd say it's off 2 thou. 6205.
Well, they didn't tell you what they measured it at, so.
That's true.
So I got 621. And oh, this doesn't have the tenths on it, veneer. I'll have to guess, probably 3.
So off by a thou.
3/4 of a thou. Well, they got 7 on 3 at 6/10. But if you measure further down, you would have that number. I don't know where they measured that. Let's see, below that, above that, below, somewhere between here. That's almost what it is right there, but there's still more diameter in it than that, so. Yeah, about 3/10. Mine repeats. Yeah, but my mic can be slightly different. The thing is, what's the difference between this mic and that mic? Because that's the bore, that's the piston. It doesn't matter what the number here is, as long as the difference is whatever clearance you're supposed to have. What was the clearance you're supposed to have?
I don't know.
There's 1. Pretty stinking tight. Oh, good. I went to Jeff and picked up some more there. So I'm at 24 and a couple tenths. They were at 21 and a couple tenths, so 3 thousandths. What's clearance supposed to be? What's it say on the instructions?
Did you
get instructions in the book?
No, really? I thought you just slap it in and go.
Slap it in and go? You can slap it and go. You probably go pretty far too, I bet. Go over there. So where's the instructions at? Reading the bottom of that book?
Nah.
No instructions? Must not be important.
They automatically assume you know what you're doing.
Where's the rings at?
Maybe in the...
Instructions with the rings, but we don't have the rings. There's rings someplace. So my guess is they're probably in the other box.
In the other box, yeah.
They would have the instructions with the rings.
We're going to look for it?
Sure. Next time we'll go over here to my instructions.
Oh.
Well, these might be old instructions.
Alright. Here you go. So you can reference them too.
This is a twin cam bike. Screaming Turd. Screaming Turd 120. There's some more paperwork. Proper fitment. What number pistons are these? Don't know that either because I don't have a part number. 106-5531. Well, these are old numbers. Here's new numbers. 106 5531. 5522 as far as they go. Yeah. 55, 22, 29, 30. We hit 30. Not 31 though. So these are supposed to be 3.5 to 4 thou in this piston, but this is for a 3 7/16 motor. We're not doing that one. These are from 16. Now you get some new instructions. These are from 14 here. So these are my new ones, 16. These would be from 19. 55, 31. We got 55, 35. Well, that's 3 5/8 at least. 3.5 to 4. So I'm going to say that's probably where we're supposed to be. We got 3. We're close. What'd you find? No instructions?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure these are
Yeah,
it. They were in another box that was open.
Yeah, I only go up to 16 on my instructions.
Oh, look, it comes with a
We
sticker.
got some genuine Torco MPZ engine assembly lube. Who uses that?
I'm more excited about the sticker. Can't wait.
There's a sticker in there too. It looks nice. I got lots of stickers. I even got big ones. Some even say dealer on them. I might have to steal these from you. Some new ones. Oh, these are revised in 14. Oh, these look like the ones I have in 14. These are the new ones? Jeez. Where's 5531 at? See, we don't have a piston number. Same thing, it only goes up to 30, which is a 3 7/16. The 3 5/8 were down here. That's 335 though, number. See, it says 3.5 out of 4. We got 3.
Oh. So it needs to open. Go a little.
So they're tightening them up a little bit. So these are.
You want to keep these?
These are vintage.
Do you want these?
I'll add them to my pile. Here's another one. 116, right? Instruction sheet from 116.
Yep.
Yeah, it's the same one.
Dash 14.
Where's this one from? This one I got in 16. This one's different. This talks about pistons and stuff in it. This is from 10. You can read these a lot better. Look how much bigger they are.
They wanted to cram more shit in there.
So 55, 53, 55, 28, 29, 30. See, that's 3 7/16. 3 5/8 is 35. See, it's still 3.5 to 4. Now all these pistons are 3.5 to 4. We got 3. Yeah, there you go. That's why I keep everything up to date. Only way to fly. I got rings. Metric, see, 58,000 metric. They don't tell you metric, it's 1.2 millimeter. They didn't want you to know those were metric. So what's the other new piston we got? This one says 8 on it. This one said 7. So this goes with the rear one.
Yeah.
Did you mark it rear?
No.
You think you should?
You got a Sharpie?
Maybe.
There's a green one right here.
Ooh. Green.
Special.
Mark that rear.
Yeah.
Boy, that is a nice marking there.
It's an R.
That's an R. Here, let me make it more simple for you.
Alright. Hey, do you say bigger is better, right?
Is there a difference in the way the lines go when it's half gone? You gotta remember these will be cleaned a few times. You gotta make them where you can see them, even if half the writing's gone. Okay, this one was a 7. So this one's bigger. This one's 8. Maybe it's a 1/10 bigger. No. Well, that's a pushing it to be that 1/10. It might be a 1/10 difference. It's pushing it though. Let's see if there's a different bore size though. Bore size definitely bigger. 1/10. Yep, there you go. Yeah, it's 1/10 difference. Same 3 thou though. All right, get my hands cleaned up. I'll be back.